In this video, I'm going to tell you about a brand new project that has a zero cost of entry and has a potential to give you a huge airdrop once the project goes live. All you need is a computer that has an internet connection, and you can be part of the beta group for this project. All the links will be in the description. Let's jump into this super early but super exciting AI-powered project. So let's jump into this project known as Grass. And you can see straight away from the homepage of the website, earn a stake in the AI revolution, get paid for your unused internet. So already you can see that this is looking to utilize the unused bandwidth that you have in your home. And a lot of projects are doing this already, but they want to differentiate themselves by leading the AI revolution. They can already see that there's over 600,000 users around the world. Now it's available on Chrome as a Chrome extension. It's available on the Solana Saga mobile as one of the decentralized apps, and very soon it's going to be coming to the Play Store and the App Store as well. So if we quickly run through the website, we can see here a dashboard where people can earn constantly. You also can refer friends, and that's going to grow your network, and it just runs in the background and you can keep a track on your earnings. Now there's a video here that goes in detail about how the project works, but it essentially talks about the idea of a residential proxy, and we're going to talk about what that is later on in the program. But what that means is that companies can use your IP address to get a specific view on products, and this is something that they wouldn't be able to do themselves, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. So what is Grass? It's an underlying infrastructure that powers AI models. So by adding a Grass web extension, the application will automatically sell your unused internet to AI companies who will scrape the internet and train their models. So here you can see the role that Grass is hoping to play in the AI ecosystem that currently exists at the moment. So they're hoping to be the part of the process that scrapes the web through the nodes, and then they're hoping to also be part of the process of the data analysis and preparation. You can see different companies that are involved in the AI ecosystem. So they're hoping to integrate themselves in that ecosystem as a crucial layer. And if you look at these companies and the strides that they're making in AI, you really would want to be a part of that. So if you think of ChatGPT, well, the information in ChatGPT has come from something called web crawling, and that is done by going to websites and finding that information. Grass is looking to do that across the world on a global scale and then sell that to AI companies. So it says here that it's hoping to be the backbone of the AI revolution. It mentions that it only exchanges bandwidth to bandwidth, so the buyers never see your data or your activity. And then it talks about rewards and referrals and how that's going to increase. There's a 3-step process: download the web extension, create an account, and earn. At the moment, you need somewhat of an invite code to create an account, and I've got a link for that in the description. Now, just quickly looking at the points that they've mentioned here, this first point of what differentiates this project is talking about residential IP proxies. And what that means is that when you act as a residential IP proxy, it means that someone routes their internet traffic through your IP address and they see the internet from your point of view. So they can use this view to scrape the web for whatever public data they need. So using an example of an airline, if they want to know what their competitors are charging for plane tickets, although the data exists online, they can't gather all of that data. And also, prices vary depending on IP address. So through that, they can find out what the competitive price is based on different locations, based on different IP addresses. What are some exciting things about Grass? Well, Grass is a hugely growing project. You can see that actually Grass is live on the Solana Saga mobile, as we mentioned before. It's the first Grass mobile app. And some of the exciting things about Grass that we have seen recently is that they got a $3.5 million investment in their seed round. So the parent company, which is Wind, has got a $4.5 million total funding, but $3.5 million in the seed rounding. So you can see that there is a lot of money behind this type of a project. If I jump into the FAQ, you can see here there's a lots of information around here of what the project works, how they use it, what will you earn. If I jump into what you will earn, you can see that as an early adopter, you're going to get specially rewarded for selling unused bandwidth, but you're going to get a stake in the future network as well. And as we know from all of these projects, the earlier you get in, the more you're going to earn. Now, there are lots of companies that are looking to utilize your unused bandwidth. You've got Honeygain, you've got EarnApp. There's lots of other projects that are doing the same, but Grass has differentiated itself by really making a move in the AI space. One of the other huge things about Grass is that they have a strategic partnership with Demo, and there's a really long interview here on the founder of Demo and the founder of Grass and how they they look to interact with each other and work with each other. And if you have the Demo app, Grass is listed on here, and they have a strategic partnership. And it's expected that Demo will be using Grass as well to further advance the objectives that they have as a project. And the last thing I mentioned is that soon they're going to be introducing Grass Mobile, which is going to hugely increase the potential for this project. And this means that people from all over the world are going to be able to download the app on multiple phones, and you're going to be able to essentially map and use your unused bandwidth. Now, we'll talk about this in the FAQ, but it's usually one IP address that you're able to earn from. But most mobiles, especially if they have their own SIM card, can earn multiple IP addresses. How are you going to earn from using this project? Well, of course, you're going to earn Grass points for using your unused internet or allowing your unused bandwidth to be used. But the second way that you can earn is being part of their referral program. And they mention here that any new referral will receive a 5,000 point bonus when they reach 100 hours of uptime. And the referrer will receive 2,500 points. Now, when I first got involved in this project, you had to get an invite code, and I've got an invite code in the description. So if you click on that referral code in the description and you're up for 100 hours, you get 5,000 bonus points. And those bonus points are what are going to be converted into rewards. And I also get a kickback, as I do in most of my affiliate links. So that's a bit of a breakdown on what Grass is, the momentum that it has, why it's starting to grow and be this huge project. And you can see here that Grass has 97,000 followers on Twitter. It was one of the largest growing Discord groups in 2024 in January. So that's the excitement of this project. So how do you get involved in Grass? Well, what you do is you click on the link in the description. You need a referral code, and so I've got my referral code in the description. If you click on that link, it'll automatically paste here. You then download the Chrome extension, which is an easy process. And then once you've got the Chrome extension, you simply sign in with an account, and automatically you'll be connected. And then you'll get a view over to your dashboard, and in the dashboard you'll be able to see the level of connection that you have, the percentage of the connection that you have, and you'll be able to see the number of networks that you have got online. And then you'll also be able to see the benefit of your referrals. And you can see that the referral program that they have goes up in tiers with the more number of people that you refer. And even if you have a small network of friends and family, everybody benefits in this system. And if you think that this looks like a Ponzi scheme, well, actually a lot of new projects run on this system. The idea of referrals is rewarding early adopters because it's a decentralized way of getting more people involved in the network. And what's the potential of Grass? Well, they have an epoch system, which means that these are distinct time periods. And the further you get in the project, the less points you're going to get. Now, we are still at an early stage of Grass. And what I'm going to do with my node is I'm installing it on my Fry Foundation bandwidth miner. So whilst I'm mining the bandwidth, I'm also capitalizing on the decibel miner and the GPS miner, but I'm going to use my unused bandwidth. So I don't actually have to do anything additional. I'm going to install it on my Fry Foundation mini PC. Let me know what you think about this project. We are super early, and that's why I've shared it with you. Let me know if there's any other projects that you want to get hold of. And here I've got 2 interesting projects. Click on the ones that interest you, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.